Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. My name is Don from the YouTube channel, The Bitter Car Guy. Today we are in Suwanee, Georgia. It's a small town, a bedroom community about an hour north of Atlanta, visiting and attending the Suwanee Classic Car Show. Between 1934 and 1936, Mercedes built 29 of these supercharged Spezial Roadsters. Now, the car we're looking at is not one of those originals. This car was built to the specifications of the originals, but was not built by Mercedes-Benz. This is what's called a movie car. Only 6 of the originals are known to exist, and the last one that went for sale sold for over $11 million in 2012. This Shelby Cobra is an authentic numbers matching car and has a certificate of authenticity. This teardrop shaped car, very pretty. I love the color. It's made by Willys, and that's about all I knew. I wasn't able to track down the owner to kind of figure out what model it was, but this is pretty with the side exhausts. This fully restored 1966 Chevy Impala was gorgeous. Just look at the paint color on this thing. Look at the wheels, all the chrome trim, immaculate. Very beautiful car. This color is a respray because the original color of this 1957 Ford Thunderbird was black, and it was resprayed into this factory color of rose. Pretty color. It's not pink, it just looks it. This 1953 Packard Clipper took part in dirt track races in California, Arizona, Wisconsin, Pennsylvania, and the car ran mostly stock with some minor upgrades for safety. Look at the size of that engine block in the engine bay. The 1915 Smith Flyer has the Guinness World Record for being the cheapest car of all time, and it has a 1 horsepower engine. It was made between 1915 to 1919. Alright YouTube, well that is it for this week's video here from the Suwanee Classic Car Show. I think Suwanee did deliver on what I was expecting. Do they know classic cars? It seems like they did. Please click on like for the video, subscribe to the channel, click the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you on the next video next week. Peace.